Hello everyone, welcome to harisystems. Today this lecture you are going to know how to start coding. Yes, I am also trying to getting such an information using Chatgpt artificial intelligence tool where we will try to get an accurate information to make a master in coding. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support for more interesting video lectures from harisystems. Let's begin. I'll ask a Chatgpt to how to start coding. Just simple, very simply. And yes, you want to start a coding language. First, what you need to do, identify which programming language you are much comfortable and start to learn. Yes, this is a very highly important for anyone. It may be beginner, it may be like who are an expert in some other field, and also freshers also. Check with your standard and career growth programming languages such as Python, Java, C++, JavaScript or more. Yes, some of the persons may think that can I learn multiple programming languages? Yes, it's absolutely perfectly you can learn it. Why? It's gonna give you more logical and building and solving problems, solving skills you will learn more than others. And learn the basics first thing. Familiarize yourself with the basic concepts of programming such as variables, data types, and coding, how to start to run by setting of local development environment. These are the things are very important. And practice with exercises. Coding skills always required for practice. Walk through coding exercises and Hacker Rank, Code Academy, and offering coding exercises to practice for your projects and improving your skills. Build a simple projects. Everything you should try to begin with a solid understanding and making a simple project by simply making simple calculator, to-do list and a basic website, and what the forms are required to integrate with your web pages. This way you have to apply hands-on experience to make and gain confidence on coding abilities. Collaborate with others. Join online coding communities and meetups and conferences and experienced developers. Collaborating with others to get a great experience to begin with it. Learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. As a coder, you should begin with the basics. Yes, definitely what your way and your path you try to reach by writing the code. Don't feel this is a mistake. It's a process what you are trying to doing. So make sure to apply these are as an opportunities to identifying and fix the such issues and apply to improve your skills. Keep learning and expanding your skills. This is a highly required for coders who are starting and entering into the development of a software industry, especially in coding, programming. That way, you have to concentrate on techniques such as all the things are going and growing in upcoming days, new and latest updating trendings which are going to be involving in coding. So learn the latest things and apply the problem solving skills in less time. Make the productivity more. Remember, learning coding is a time and taking an effort of patience yourself. Stay persistent and don't give up. Happy coding. If you feel this video lecture is helping you at any point, please do subscribe and support us. Anyhow, harisystems is offering vast different type of programming language such as Python, C++, JavaScript, HTML, many more. These all are online courses with low price challenge. Find below description links to enroll today and start learning your coding journey. Wish you good luck. We'll catch you in future video lecture. Thank you.